Welcome to the Service Plix Provider Dashboard. Here's how UAE service providers manage and grow their business with ease. This is your main dashboard. Here you can see your business overview including total jobs, earnings, notifications, and booking status, all in one place. In the account section, you can update and manage all your key business details. This includes your company name, contact information, languages, profile photo, business tagline, and brand identity settings. You can also add your social media links, select the service categories you specialize in. Additionally, add amenities, languages your team speaks, upload your portfolio images and videos to showcase your work, and attach documents such as your company profile, or any other material you would like to showcase to potential customers. Keeping your profile complete and accurate builds trust, increases your visibility on the platform, and significantly improves your chances of winning jobs and receiving more quote requests. In the articles section, you can share helpful content to build trust with customers and showcase your expertise. Write and publish service guides, maintenance tips, and educational articles that help customers understand your work and make informed decisions. By sharing useful knowledge, you position your business as a trusted and professional service provider in the UAE. In the job requests section, you can view real project opportunities posted across the UAE that match your services. Check project details and submit your offer, request a site visit, or contact the customer directly by phone or WhatsApp for faster coordination. In the quotation requests section, you can see inquiry requests received directly from customers through your public provider profile on Service Plix. Here you can view the quotation request details, customer requirements, and customer information, and then submit your quotation or contact the customer directly. In the booking section, you can manage all confirmed jobs, bookings received, and scheduled visits in one place. Here you can view booking details, customer information, service date, time, and location. This helps you stay organized, avoid missed appointments, and deliver services on time. In the branches section, you can add additional office or shop locations if your business has more than one branch. This helps customers see all the locations you serve, making it easier to receive inquiries from different areas. In the services section, you can add and manage all the services your business provides, including the service name, description, pricing, and duration. These services appear on your public provider profile, so customers can view your offerings and book services directly from the front end. Keeping your services updated helps attract more inquiries and bookings. In the team members section, you can add staff, assign roles, and organize who handles services. These are the core features of your Service Plix Provider Dashboard, helping you manage your profile, services, and inquiries efficiently. Start growing your service business in the UAE today. Service Plix, where UAE finds its services.